Following a car collision, the body often experiences misalignments that may go unnoticed. Chiropractic adjustments serve as a key remedy in restoring balance and promoting healing. These adjustments realign the spine, mitigating pain and stiffness by relieving nerve pressure, but their benefits extend beyond mere physical relief. They enhance the body's natural ability to recover, reducing inflammation and aiding faster rehabilitation. Moreover, they improve mobility and function, crucial for resuming daily tasks. Post-collision chiropractic care also addresses any latent issues, preventing long-term complications. Embracing chiropractic adjustments can significantly enhance recovery, providing a holistic boost to overall well-being. Discover the untapped advantages of this age-old therapy that restore and rejuvenate at Hollern Chiropractic, 5215 New Cut Road, Louisville, Kentucky, 40214. Our office phone number is 502 366 9200.